We are in a state of emergency, people. Look at this. The stores are empty. Everyone's going crazy, worrying about this super snowstorm. And look at this. We're shut down because of, look at that. This is why the whole city shut down, because of this crap. It's ridiculous. These people out here don't know nothing about real snow. You come to Flint, I'll show you some real snow. Come to Flint, Michigan. Come there, I'll show you some real freaking snow. Why you keep walking up to me? Get out of here with your trashy snow. That snow all brown. Come on, man. Get out of here. There she comes.